Oh friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we are looking at the best curbside deals over at Walgreens for the week of the 11th to the 17th of May. So even if you want to put these deals in on the 17th, which is Saturday, you can do that. And what curbside means is you're hitting the box on the left-hand side with the red check, putting an order in online, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up. And that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. I just want to point something out. On Sunday, and then I think part of Monday morning, everything in the app was ringing up for last week's price, but around 11 a.m. on Monday, it finally went to the sales price. This happens on the rare occasion, but I did have my eye on it, and I was also getting thrown out of the app a lot, or I could find no items in stock. So if you were having the same issues, me included, I also had the same issue, and then everything was fine this morning, which is Tuesday the 13th. And if you love all cute Mother's Day items, 50% off. I'm pretty sure this is going to go like 80 very quickly because they want this inventory out of the store. So whatever is remaining Mother's Day, you can even find it in the app. Just type in Mother's Day clearance if that is your thing. I didn't put these in the matchups, but just in case you were looking for some cute stuff. And yesterday I made a video for the Dollar Olay bar soap. A lot of you were having issues with the IBOTTA. I believe all of the UPCs are attaching with IBOTTA as of now. I don't think it was coded in properly. The rebate did not exclude the use of a digital coupon. So if you did do the deal and you can't get the receipt to upload, what I recommend is to put in a ticket or email their Zendesk, and you can do both through the app. And they have been awarding people the $6. Usually takes about 24 hours, but they are a pretty fair app. So just to throw that out there, hopefully you can get in on this deal because $1 is quite fantastic. Okay, so the first deal we're going to look at is deal number 1. And for this one, we're going to grab 4 boxes of the Cheezits, and 4 of them is $6.67. There is a 3 off of 4 digital coupon, which is really interesting. So make sure you have that one loaded, and hopefully you can get all your Cheezits. And then we're also going to throw in 4 boxes of the Pop-Tarts on a buy one get one free promotion, and there's another 3 off of 4 coupon. Here they are. Now if you are just all about the Pop-Tarts or all about the Cheezits, if you head over to checkout 51, there's similar rebates, so you'll need a receipt if you wanted to get like nothing but Cheez-Its or nothing but Pop-Tarts. You can do the rebate up to 2 times. Once with the digital coupon and once with checkout 51. So you'll have to have that offer loaded before you go and do the deal, and you'll also need a receipt at the store. Get the math to balance, I just threw in a cheap toilet paper. Alternatively, you could try and look for some clearance candy at your specific location, but I went with this. And then just to show you, 3 and 3 and 45 cents with the code WAG10, which is always fantastic. The overall total for this basket is $17.04, WAG10 taking 45 cents off. Not a lot of tax on this because it's like food mostly. $6 also melting off, so the total here is $10.63. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it and pay 63 cents. For like 4 boxes of Cheez-Its, 4 boxes of Pop-Tarts, and a roll of toilet paper. It's a lot of snacks and goodness for the summer months. And if you are going to try and do, checkout 51 in concert with this, like if you wanted to go like, double the Cheez-Its and not go with the Pop-Tarts. So you'll have to ask the cashier to process your transaction through a regular register so you can get a receipt. If they use the handheld, you will not get a receipt and you will not be able to make a submission to checkout 51. The next deal that we're going to look at is these L'Oreal. It's some sort of like eye defense. So it's like an eye cream. Buy one, get one 40% off with a 14 off of 2 digital coupon. So 2 of them on a buy one, get one 40% off is $28.78. Kind of rhymes. We're going to load this friend, which is the 14 off of 2. And I had no idea it was attaching to those L'Oreal eye creams. I know a lot of us love a really fancy eye cream. Just to show you, $1.48 melting off with the code WAG10, and then another $14 coming off with that manufacturer. The overall total is $28.78. WAG10 taking $1.48 off. Free curbside pickup and tax, another $14 melting off. So the total here is $14.94. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $4.94, I think personally that's the way to do it, and you'll have some beautiful eye cream for the summer months. Number 3, this is a meat and potatoes kind of basket. The first item that we're going to grab is 2 of the Garnier Fructis shampoos. Alternatively, you can grab a shampoo and conditioner. They're giving $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2 of these, plus we have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. We're also going to throw in a Scott's toilet paper and paper towel that is buy one, get one 50% off. And we have a $1 digital to go with the toilet paper, and that is the magical 3 off of 2 for the Garnier Fructis that is attaching. And we're also going to throw in a paper towel for $5. So buy one, get one 50% off. That's why the other one was $2.50. And this is the last digital coupon that you're going to load of the $1 off. Now, just to show you, unfortunately, I couldn't use the code WAG10 in this one. Maybe you'll have better luck than I, but $1, $3, and another $1 off. The overall total was $15.50. After the 5 melts off, it's $11.43, and then I'm getting back $4 in Walgreens cash for the Garnier. Now, if you want to do the whole blends and the Fructis, it would have to be in 2 separate transactions. The 2 won't keep adding to the basket. You're not going to get $8 back. But for the balance, if you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.43, yes, you'll earn back your $4 for the purchase of the Garnier, which is really nice. The final deal that we're looking at, well, it is no mystery. We're going to go with the Arm & Hammer pods for $1.99. If you don't have a lot of room in your stockpile and you want to stock up on some detergent, this is the deal I would definitely be pursuing. 5 of them is $9.95, and with tax, you can use $10 of Walgreens cash, and you're just paying 55 cents. And you're saving $30. So on the scent beads and on the pods, I know the liquid detergents, the bottles are itty bitty, but for this, I think it's a very smart deal, especially if you're a newer couponer trying to stock up your stockpile to get some items rocking and rolling. This is a very good deal. Now, before I take off, guys, in case you missed it, I made a very long video yesterday about the Dollar General clearance event. And even if you're a very avid Walgreens CVS shopper and you're like, I don't go to the Dollar General, I'm telling you to watch this video and go to the Dollar General when you have free Arm & Hammer, free Caress with digital coupons, 80-cent Olay. It is just a really easy video to watch, and the matchups are fantastic. They're very sound. And when you have savings like this, I will let you know from the years of me making these videos and participating in the clearance event, a lot of the laundry will get cleared in the first 2 days. So if you want to partake in some of this, really watch the video linked right here. And that's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.